Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to set up the Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Max. Alright, let's begin. This is the Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Max. It is a solid alternative to Roku devices, and I am going to walk you through the full setup process step by step. You can get everything ready in just a few minutes if you follow along. Before you start, make sure you have a few things ready. You will need everything that comes inside the Fire TV Stick box, access to the back of your television, a phone or computer to activate your Amazon account, your Amazon.com password if you already have an account, and your Wi-Fi password for your internet connection. Now let's open the box and see what is inside. You will find the Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Max, the remote control, a USB power cable, an HDMI extender cable, a power adapter, and two AAA batteries for the remote. There are also printed instructions in the box, but I am simplifying everything for you here. Start with the USB power cable. Remove it from the packaging and plug one end into the power adapter. Next, take the Fire TV Stick 4K Max and plug the other end of the USB cable directly into the port on the device. After that, grab the HDMI extender cable. Plug the extender into the Fire TV Stick. This extender makes it easier to connect the device, especially if the HDMI ports on your television are hard to reach or tightly spaced. Now take the remote control. Remove the cover from the back, then insert the two AAA batteries that came in the box. Once the batteries are in place, put the cover back on the remote. Next, move to the back of your television. Plug the power adapter into a wall outlet, then insert the Fire TV Stick, with the HDMI extender attached, into an available HDMI port on your television. Take note of which HDMI port you are using, because you will need to select it on your TV in the next step. Turn on your television using your regular TV remote. Press the input or source button, and select the HDMI port where you plugged in the Fire TV Stick. For example, if you used HDMI 2, select HDMI 2. After a moment, you should see the Fire TV logo appear on your screen. From this point forward, use the Amazon remote, not your regular TV remote. When prompted, press the play and pause button to begin setup and choose your preferred language. Next, select your Wi-Fi network from the list. Enter your Wi-Fi password using the on-screen keyboard. If you are not sure what your password is, you can usually find it on the back of your router or by contacting your internet service provider. Once the device connects to Wi-Fi, you will be asked to sign in to your Amazon.com account. On your phone or computer, go to Amazon.com/code. Log in with your Amazon account, then enter the activation code that appears on your TV screen. After signing in, you can choose whether to enable or skip parental controls. This part is optional and depends on who will be using the device. Next, you will see a volume and power setup screen. This step is important because the Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Max can control your TV's power and volume using the Amazon remote. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the volume test so you can use one remote instead of two. You may see an advertisement screen during setup. This is normal with Fire TV devices. Simply continue through the prompts. After that, you will be asked to choose which apps you want to install. Select the apps you already use or skip this step and install them later. Then, choose a profile and you will be taken to the Fire TV home screen. From here, you can open your installed apps and start streaming. If you already have a subscription, such as Netflix, open the app and sign in with your existing account. If you want to find new apps, navigate away from the home screen and select Find. From there, you can search for apps directly or browse the App Store. Keep in mind that when you download apps on Fire TV, you may receive an email from Amazon as if you placed an order. This happens even for free apps, so there is no need to worry. One final tip is about subscriptions. Some apps allow you to subscribe or start a free trial directly through Fire TV. You can use this option, but many people prefer signing up directly on the streaming service's website. This makes it easier to manage, pause, or cancel subscriptions later. So that's basically how you can set up the Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Max. That's it for this video. Thanks,